Okay, this is the first bottle I received from you. That's no good. Apparently it was frozen. It's already opened. I don't know if you can see in the video how less white it is and how thin it is. You can't smell the smell of it. It's all soapy. You can see it down here. That's that one. The two I received just now from you, there's one of them. It's not been opened. The seal is still intact. Smells just like the other one. See how thin that is, especially down here. So I'd say you definitely need to talk to your supplier, because they're selling you stuff that's apparently been frozen. This is the second one that I received from you. It's also sealed. And it seems to be about the same. Full of suds. Smells just like the other two. This is the one I just bought off of Amazon. I received it a 3 days ago. It's already opened. As you can see, it's white and creamy. Not a lot of suds. It even pours differently. This stuff is good here. It's thick, it's the proper color, it smells correctly. I know the product. There's nothing wrong with this. So I don't know, you just need to talk to your supplier and let them know that they're sending you stuff that's been damaged. I don't know if a trailer sat overnight or 3 days or something earlier in the year when the weather was cold and the outside of a pallet froze or what, but that's my first guess, is that the stuff has been frozen and ruined.